Morning guys. So, time check. It's 4:32 AM. Okay, so kanina pa ako gising kasi this is isa sa mga task ng pagiging ITO. You need to do some reports para sa iyong assistant. And yes, I'm almost done with my report. As you can see, yeah. So, kanina pa ako nagawa ng report kasi ano to this is a what do you call that one? A journal note for my assistant. And yun, malapit akong matapos. I'm just giving the feedback para sa aking assistant, like kung ano nangyari for this whole month, which is really positive naman talaga sa mga nangyayari ngayon. And yeah, he plays a big role naman sa pagiging assistant IT ko. Ayun, yun lang naman. It's a kind of an update. Then after nito, hindi na ako matutulog kasi magre-review pa ako. Still have my review, willing to take the exam by next month, so this coming February. Ayun, that's a quick update for now. And isang oras na ako nagawa ng report kasi hindi na ako masyadong nakagawa ng proper reporting. Tagal na rin, been a year na rin, more than 2 years na rin nung last na gumawa ako. Ayan, that's it. So, ciao for now. Just finishing my report, then review. Dire-diretso na to hanggang pagpasok ko mamaya.